Hello guys, this is Agent TW, aka Epic Game Plus 3. Today we are on PS3 playing Transformers Rise of the Dark Spark Campaign Episode 2. And when we left off, we were beating Chapter 1.
The Matrix of Leadership, formed from Primus himself, grants the bearer the wisdom of the Primes. But for every force in the universe, there is an equal and an opposite. For every matter, an antimatter. Legends speak of the Dark Spark, the antithesis to the Matrix of Leadership. Where the Matrix grants wisdom, the Dark Spark empowers its master to bend the very fabric of the universe and its inhabitants to his will. This is our darkest hour. Cybertron has nearly fallen, and the Autobots are on the verge of defeat. This is our finest hour. Cybertron is nearly ours, and victory is finally within the Decepticons' grasp.
That is one crap of an entrance. Or an intro, whatever you like to call it. That is one crap of an intro.
The gates of Crystal City lay beyond this chasm. Tell me, Shockwave, do you believe this dark spark exists? I do not believe this status quo. I hypothesize. My conclusion is not yet formed, but all data leads us here. Ah, yes. Ever the scientist, as you once were.
Do we get to play Shockwave?
Did you do it? For once we agree, Soundwave.
Or Soundwave. Especially because this new controller I just got. It's hard to control with it. Power 8 controller, it's just like an Xbox controller. It sucks. Dude, like literally, it sucks so much. Especially how far your thumb has to reach to touch the right joystick. And it sucks. Then beak. You ready to, after I kill this insecticide? Come at me, bro. Can't touch this. Can't touch this, dude. Can't touch this. Can't touch this, dude. Can't touch this.
What?
Where is this? Oh, yeah. Why did they not add anything new in this game? I know I have 15. Oh guys, by the way, remember that battle pack I have? The electric bolter. Wait a second. I don't remember ever telling you about me getting the battle pack DLC. Anyway, well, it gives you the electro bolter, of course. Electro bolter. Definitely equipped that. Wait a second. No, I'm not gonna equip it. What's the point if I don't have an ammo beacon? so no. I would show you it, but let's just stick with Scatter Blaster. Heavy weapon, just in case we die. There's our harvester. But what? And just in case we get close. Dude, can't touch this. Da 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 da. Da da da. Can't touch this. Da da da. Why are you shooting at me, Starscream? Why are you shooting at me? Dude, what was that?
Lord Megatron, we have gained access to the facility. What's so important about this thing that we have to trace through acid and ruins?
Do you have a desire to cease functioning, Starscream?
I was just asking.
Your ignorance is matched only by your incompetence. Now cut the static and bring me the dark spark.
Yeah, Starscream.
Lord Megatron. And Starscream, do not question me again.
Yeah, Starscream, don't question Lord Megatron. Didn't you learn your lesson after you betrayed him and follow Cybertron? Awesome. Oh, where's Rumble at? Give me Rumble.
Actually, most intriguing.
I guess Laserbeak's just the only one that's useful in this part. I don't know. I want to use Rumble now. What up? Aw, snap. I said, aw, snap. Oh, snap. Your mama said it. Oh, snap. Your mama said, oh, snap. Take you down old school. You know, I think I like what sounds. I think I like Soundwave's design.
Imaginary dark spark this way. I imagine. Continue the search. I will rejoin you after resolving our infestation problem.
Oh, wait, I'm Shockwave? No! No! Stay away from me! I am not an Insecticon. Wait a second. Am I like a spider team or something? You're trying to kill me because you hate it when I try to eat you or something? I don't know. I have no idea. Oh, I get it because they're flies. Wait a second, no, you're not flies, are you? Okay, I'm confused. What kind of bugs are these things anyway? What? The next one that starts flying into my face is going to get a slingshot to the face. Get it. Face. Get your face. What? Shockwave. Look, he's shaking his booty. Literally. And I always wonder why that you can't double jump now, but in more of Cybertron you could. I wonder why.
Oh, what do we have
here? Here. Oh, wait a second.
Fascinating.
Oh, wait a second.
The sentient one shares DNA with the ferro-insectoid protoforms. What do you call us? I don't know. Let me!
Yeah, let him, because I want to kill him. Let him so I can kill him. Wait a second, that's hard shell. Oh, gosh. I thought he got killed by Grimlock. Dude, didn't he get killed by Grimlock? I mean, seriously. What are you doing? I thought you died. I thought you died, jerk. Oh, gosh. I'm dead. trying to. Okay, switch to rockets. Okay, y'all. Y'all listen up. Here's the story about a little guy who lives in a blue world. And every day and every night, all the things he sees is just blue. Like his inside and outside. I don't know the rest of the song. All I know is that there's a lyric to the song that's called Blue. There's a blue Corvette lyric. I'm not sure. Okay, I survived because I survived. But doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little tired. Does this kill you? No, it doesn't kill. It does do a crap ton of damage. It doesn't kill you, makes you stronger. Stand a little tired. You're starting to creep me out. Okay, then I'm gonna take this thing set down. He's creeping me out. I'll get you. Get you. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. Oh, what? I'ma get you. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. What up, kickback? How's I treating you, babe? You ready to get the you ready for me to suck the energy out of you? Get your lousy butt over here. Come on. I'll slingshot you. Okay. What is this one? I need ammo. Come over here. I have ways of dealing with you. Jerk. What? Are you kidding? That was a waste. I need to go get ammo. And yes, you gotta do everything. Oh my gosh. Epic save. Like a boss. Boss. Everybody do the boss. Yeah. Yeah, you too. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over here. Sure. You're so cool. Get over here. You wanna go? Come on. Come on, Shark. You wanna fight? Is that what you want? More Insecticons. More Insecticons. More Insecticons. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. You're pathetic, Shark. All of you are just pathetic. The only one that's not very pathetic is Archie. Because he's the one who's using less of the Insecticon army. And you guys like use the whole army. You guys are pathetic. Oh gosh! Oh, I probably spoke too soon. Oh, I spoke too soon, YouTube. I think I already told you. Yeah, you do. Sorry. That's just how life is supposed to treat you. Hey, stop running, you pathetic little piece of crap. Yeah, that's what I thought. Sharp shot. Want to hear it from you. Come on. Dude, sharp shot is like easier. Oh! Oh, you just got scrapped.
There is another alternative.
What? What are you gonna do, Shockwave? Experiment on them or something? Oh, I don't want to be Soundwave. Can I be Starscream now? Let me be Starscream. He sounds awesome. Well, he looks awesome. I just want to be some sort of jet. I don't want to be a truck. Now, let me in this place. Now. Oh, shoot this door open. Oh, no, no, oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? No! Really, are you kidding me? Jerk. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video here. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. No, seriously, really do subscribe and like and comment. Dude, seriously, really do. Viewers, please, I'm serious. I mean, I know everybody says this to be cool, but seriously, do subscribe, comment, and like. Now, part 3, episode 3, will probably be out maybe in a week, maybe less, maybe tomorrow even. But, you gotta like. If you can get at least 4 likes, if we can reach 4 likes in this video by tomorrow, then, by Wednesday, then I'll do it. Then I'll start making. I don't know. Maybe. How about maybe. 2 days of daily video? Daily Transformers? Well, please do give us 4. At least, let's try to reach our goal. And I'll give you 2 days of daily Transformers, or any kind of any game that I have. Okay? Any game. Just comment. Okay, how about I give you Injustice, Batman, Arkham Origins, Transformers Rise of the Dark Spark, or Lego Marvel Superheroes. Your choice, comment. 4 likes, though. You need to give me 4 likes and comment about which one you want me to do it 2 daily videos of. The one with the most votes today are the ones that we're gonna do the next day for daily, and then the one that gets 4. The comment we get on that video, the comments with the most votes for another game that I have out of those choices, will have a daily video. We'll have another daily video. So, please like, comment, subscribe. Bye.